So here you go, guys. The grill thermometer from Habor. I call it a temperature gauge, but you can call it whatever you want. It's just a regular meat thermometer. You can get this thing on Amazon for like $16, $17. Here's some of the features that it has. You can fold it and it turns on and off when you fold it. It has a light, and you know, it's waterproof and thermometer, Fahrenheit and Celsius. And so that's the box here. Let's open it up. Here is the manual if you don't know how to use it. You know, it tells you in different languages. And so it has a holding button for the light, max and mini button. And you know, just look over it if you don't know how to use it. Put this on the side. Here's the product right here. Pretty good looking product. My favorite color, red. On and off. Let's take this plastic cover off. Oh yeah, it looks nice and shiny now. Let's turn it on. So here's the light button for a night cooking. And you hold it down. You can change it to Celsius. Hold it down. I like to use it for Fahrenheit. Then it's hold down for so you can see the readings. Hold the readings here. And then max and medium button. You could change that also. So, you know, pretty simple meat thermometer. I like how you just open and it turns on and close it when you turns off. Oh, here on the back, it tells you the different temperature for a different type of meat. So chicken and turkey, 165 degrees. You know, pork is 145. Pre-cooked ham is 140. So that's pretty cool. Here's the batteries. I'm not sure what size battery it is, but all in all, it's a pretty good, nifty product. So I'm about to finish cooking my roasted chicken. We're about to use it and see what happens. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's check it out. Look at that chicken. Here I have the thermometer. You can get one of these on Amazon. Let's stick it in the chicken. Oh yeah, it is good. 165. Man, that is cooked. So now we're gonna take it out and then we'll let it sit for 5-10 minutes and then we get to eating.